Once upon a time, in a vast, tranquil ocean, lived a small puffin named Puffy. Puffy was not like the other puffins. He was known for his wisdom and kindness, a quality that set him apart from his feathered friends. One sunny day, a storm swept across the ocean. All the puffins sought shelter in their burrows, but Puffy stayed by the shore, watching the waves. The other puffins, upon seeing this, were concerned for Puffy's safety. "Puffy, why don't you seek shelter?" asked one of them. "The storm is dangerous," another added. But Puffy remained unmoved. "I am not afraid," Puffy replied. "I am here to learn from the storm, not to hide from it." As the storm raged on, Puffy watched the waves. He saw how the storm, though fierce, was not unpredictable. He saw the patterns in its chaos, the rhythm in its fury. When the storm subsided, Puffy returned to his friends. He told them about the lessons he learned. "The storm," he said, "taught me that change is not something to fear, but something to embrace. For in every storm, there is a lesson to be learned, a truth to be discovered." From that day forward, Puffy was no longer just a wise puffin. He was a beacon of hope, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always a lesson to be learned. And so, the puffins learned to face their fears, to embrace the storms in their lives, and to seek wisdom in every challenge they faced. The moral of the story: embrace change, for it is in the storms that we find our greatest lessons.